Saturday. We getting ready to go get a facial. How you feeling back there, Charlie?
I feel amazing. I feel excited.
Yeah.
Yes.
There we go. We're walking down the stairs right now. So we walk into our driver, and then he gonna take us to the spot. So let's get it. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? All right. We out here. There go our driver right there, John. We about to get it. Hola, jefe. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás?
Qué bonito,
Ah.
qué bonito.
Sí.
Mucho.
Sí, mucho
Hay que
trabajo.
sacar tiempo para descansar.
Sí, muy ocupada esta semana.
Yo tengo bien dormir
Anoche.
anoche. Sí. Yo tengo para noche té. Está bien. So he asked us, when are we moving? 2 semanas para vivo en Loreles.
2 semanas.
Dos. Really 12 días.
En 12 días.
Sí.
Al
sí.
final, la final día de abril.
Yeah. Final día
De abril.
de abril.
A finales de abril.
Sí.
Es decir, la otra semana de arriba en 12 días.
Sí.
Sí, ya.
Me dicen para llevarlos. Me dicen para llevarlos.
He said how to keep it, told us to keep it.
Sí. Nosotros tenemos. No. Nosotros necesitamos.
Yes.
Queremos, por favor.
So we just got to the place, but we don't know. And our driver, John, he making sure we good. That's John right there. That's our driver. ¿Está bien?
Isiah.
Ah, right here. Oh, okay.
Isiah. Ahí es. Enter en la entrada.
Okay. He gonna make sure we good.
¿Les puedo pedir un favor?
He's saying he'll be back around 3:30.
Oh, so then the next place is 6 minutes away, and we would be done here at like 11:15.
Por eso puedo llamar
Sí.
o escribir cuando finí.
Charlie be killing it with the Spanish, but we got here and we walking up right now. There we go. We at the Clinica, right, to get the facial wellness spot right there. This is the spot. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien.
All the face, like PRP. We had the all black.
Okay.
The regular facial is only for the take off the dark and pimples or something like that. This for the regular facial. We have something is called radio frequency. The radio frequency is to help you to the skin when it's coming soft and this coming down. This to help you to pull like a lifting, very soft. That is very good treatment to stimulate all the collagen for the skin. We had the microdermabrasion. Microdermabrasion is to help you to remove all the dead cells that close the pores. It's very good treatment too. here we have the person who don't like the irritation.
So we just got processed in. It took like 20 minutes. They gave us the whole spiel. Right? It was a journey. They gave us the whole spiel and everything like that. Tried to upsell us on a couple things. So now we're just waiting to get called in. So yeah, you see that? You see that in the background? It's a nice little view right there, ain't it? See that? See that right there? It's a nice little view. So they gave us these robes right here, you know what I'm saying? And we about to go in there and get a facial. I ain't got a facial in a while too, so this is gonna be good right here. We just finished up. Hey look, it took me 30 minutes to put my nose ring back in.
You did.
She helped me. I was struggling, but her nails were so long. She was like, I don't think I could do it. And then she did it in like 10 seconds. Had to put that on there. All right, so we walking out right now. How you feeling? How you like that facial?
I feel like my face is rejuvenated.
Definitely. Them extractions,
They extracted the fuck out of my face.
for real. They went dumb on the extractions. But besides that, it was smooth selling. And now we about to go get some food from this one spot we've been to before called Kaime, another vegan joint. So the Uber is pulling up right here. And then we about to go over there and get it.
I wonder if they internet store.
Dang, so check this out. So we get to the spot and it's closed. They're doing some work inside right there. So now we gotta kind of figure out what we gonna do, where we gonna eat at, cause that just threw a monkey wrench into things. You know what I'm saying? I have my mind set on these potato swirls. The potato swirls is fire, but we about to find somewhere else to eat now. So we decided to walk to this restaurant. It's called Karah, vegan. We saw it on the menu a couple weeks ago. We ain't been yet, so now was our chance. So it's like an 8-minute walk. So we headed over there right now. We gonna see what's popping. So we just made it. We just made it to Karah. It's a little vibe, outside seating, right? We got outside seating. Got that little joint right there behind me. Right there. So yeah, we just ordered in Spanish and Espanol. And yeah, so we're gonna see what it's hitting for. So we got the menus right here, right? Espanol and English. We got the Edipitas. That's 18,000. So that's like less than $5 for an appetizer. And then we got these tacos right here, sauteed mushroom joints. And then we got this spinach pasta sauce too. So this right here is 36,000. So that's like $8-9 right there. And then them tacos is like $7, $8 as well. So we gonna see what it's hitting on. So we got one of the empanadas right here. So usually it be coming in like a corn joint, but this is a breaded empanada. So that's cool. So we got that mushroom. We got some onions in there, a little bit of corn as well. So it's hot as hell, but y'all see that? Then we got the sauce right there. So that empanada right there, we 1 for 1. That's a appetizer. It's a certified banger. All right, we 1 for 1 right now. What you think?
1 for 1 for sure.
1 for 1. Let's go. Karah. Right here we got the Eddie Pitas. It look like it bussin'. So let's see. All right, so we about to take our first bite of these. Ain't never had these in our life. All right, let's go. Yep. We're 2 for 2. Karah. I see what you're doing over here, Karah. Yep. This bussing right here. Bus. Yo, they really back there chefing it up, yo. Like, they don't miss. Like, they going dumb, yo. They're going dumb. We are 2 for 2 right now, and I have a good feeling about these entrees. So here go the tacos that we ordered. Sauteed mushroom joints. These look delicious. Delish right there. You see that? And then we got that pasta, the mushrooms, spinach, the spinach pasta right there. And it come with a salad. Ooh wee. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. We're about to take this first bite. This pasta right here. See that? Yup. That's the one. That's one of them ones right there. Hey, y'all. We about to take our first bite. This taco right here. Y'all ready? Let's see. Yup. No. The tortillas are so soft. Undefeated. Karah is undefeated. You come to Medellin, come to Karah. You feel me? So we just finished up with the food. How you like it?
It was amazing. Oh my God.
Amazing. So check this out. It was 168,000.
41 USD.
$168,000, right? We got 2 appetizers, 2 main courses. We got a scoop of vegan ice cream. I think it was from like chickpea. I didn't really like it, but we got that. We got a kombucha, pineapple juice, and then we got 2 strawberry lemonades.
And a snack to go.
And a snack to go, 168,000, and that's like $40, right?
Tip included.
Tip included too. Tip included. So, listen, I love it out here, right? Shali say I love it because it's cheap.
He does.
She said I'd be cheap, but hey man, hey, if you ain't gotta spend
a good discount.
if you ain't gotta spend the money, then there's no point, right? But we about to head back to Sabaneta and just chill out, man. So yeah, we waiting for John, our driver, and he live around the corner from where we staying at too. So that's our guy right there. So I'm out here on the porch getting some studying done, looking at some charts, and I just wanted to just share, man, like life is only going to be what you make it be, essentially. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna come with its challenges. It's gonna come with, rough patches. But at the end of the day, all you gotta do is ensure that you don't give up and you go after what your heart is telling you to go after on a consistent basis. You know what I'm saying? It's easy to get in this habit of doing what everybody wants you to do. But like, at some point, you gotta do what you wanna do. You know what I'm saying? And it's always easier said than done, but like at the end of the day, you gotta get to a point where like you put yourself first and you matter. You know what I'm saying? That's really what it boils down to. So it's like, it's been plenty of times in my life where I could have continued to do what others wanted me to do for their benefit, but what about me? You know, what about me? And when you put yourself first long enough, you're gonna start seeing real big benefits and real big rewards. You know what I mean? So it's like, best thing I could ever say is put yourself first, because other people gonna put themselves first over you. So put yourself first. You know what I'm saying? So, day in the life of a day trader. You know what I'm saying? About to study, read, chill, and then we gonna, you know, go tomorrow, go live and do what we gotta do. All right? I always say, get out of your head and get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right? The more you study, the less you worry. Peace.